This is day 9 of our 30-day guru challenge. Every day I break down a strategy that the gurus talk about for growing a digital product business. Today we are getting into something that most beginners skip, and they really should not. What if you can wake up tomorrow and have people finding your digital products without you posting a single piece of content that day? That is literally what Pinterest can do for your business. It is one of the few platforms where your content keeps working for you, even months after you post it. The gurus call it free traffic machine for digital products. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. So here is exactly how to set up Pinterest to drive traffic to your digital products, starting right now. Step 1 is your Canva pin design. So your first step will be you will open up Canva because it's free, and you will click create a design. When you click create a design, then you are going to type in what you're trying to create. And we're trying to create Pinterest pin. So when you type in Pinterest pin, you would click on which Pinterest pin template you want to use. Once you click on it, this helps because this is already the correct size for a Pinterest pin. So when you upload it, you won't have any problem with sizing or anything because Canva already did that for you. It's already sized for you. So once you click on the Pinterest pin you want, you would then design your pin. Any way how you want to design the pin, you would design it. Once you design it, now remember when you click on your Pinterest pin, you want a vertical design of 1,000 by 1,500 pixels, which if you click on any of the Pinterest pin template on Canva, that should be the size already. But that is the size you want. And then you would design it. You can add a simple bold headline that describes what your freebie or your product solves. So right here for mine, I have a pin and it says start selling digital products, and it says the price. And then it gives a little bit information about it, that you don't need no experience, no following, no face, just Canva AI. So they let them know what they're getting. And that's how the pin, my pin looks. It lets them know exactly what they're getting. So like I say, your Pinterest pin, you want to make sure they have a bold headline that describes what your freebie or product solves. Keep the design clean with your brand colors and one strong image or graphic. Step 2, you are going to add your link to your pin. So in my case, I have the link going directly towards my sales page. You can have your link going towards your free guide, your sale page, wherever you want that link to go towards. You will link it to that pin. Now, for people that is starting out, the free guide is better. It's better to create a pin for your free guide instead of your sales page. The free guide converts better because it gets people into your email list first, and you will sell from your free guide. So your free guide will give information, and then it will lead to your pay guide. And that's how you will upsell them from your free guide to the pay guide. Okay, and that's way better, and it's easier because people do not mind going on your free guide. They do not mind getting something free. And then once they get the free guide, you then will sell them to your pay guide. Step 3 is your pin description. Write 2 to 3 sentences using keywords your audience would actually search for. Things like weekly meal prep planner, family budgeting planner, wedding planner, weight loss tracker, self-care journal, or pregnancy planner. Just make sure you put in the keywords in the description that people will actively be searching for, because Pinterest is a search engine. People go on Pinterest to search for inspo, and they search for things and they be ready to buy. So you want to make sure you put your keywords in the description so it can appear. So your item, your digital product can appear. Also, make sure you put that in the title as well. You will create a title for your pin, and you want to put a keyword in the title as well that people will search for. Step 4 is your board. You will create a Pinterest board with a specific name. Like in my case, some examples can be digital products for beginners or make money online with digital products. Once everything is done, then you are ready to publish your pin. Once you publish your pin, make sure you go see your pin and make sure that everything is set up correctly. That when you click on go to your website, it goes directly to your website. And it goes directly to the correct link it's supposed to go to. Okay, so you always just want to check and make sure everything is set up correctly. It's going to the right location after you click publish. Post a minimum of 3 to 5 pins per week, pointing to your funnel, which can be, again, your free guide. It could be pointing to your free guide, which your free guide will lead to your paid guide. Or it could be pointing directly to your paid guide. Either way, just make sure it's pointing to your funnel. Within 30 to 60 days, you will start seeing consistent traffic come in, posting anything new without even posting content. So y'all do not sleep on Pinterest pins, okay? You can even, if you have a budget, you can even advertise your pin, that your pin could get seen to more people. One of the things I teach inside of my digital product starter kit is how to drive traffic to your digital products without paying for ads. Pinterest is one of those strategies and it's completely free to set up. The link to my kit is in the description below and it will be in the pinned comment if you want to check it out. So tomorrow I'm doing something completely different. I'm going to be showing you guys basically what I do every day when running my business, what I actually do on my computer, what I actually do every day to run my business. So make sure you are liking, you are subscribing, and you are turning your post notifications so you do not miss any uploads.